Hey there, fashion lovers. Welcome back to my channel, where we break down the latest tips and tricks for savvy shopping. Today, we're tackling how to use SHEIN points in 2025. If you're a SHEIN enthusiast, you know that points can be a game changer for scoring deals on trendy clothes, accessories, and more. By the end of this video, you'll be redeeming points like a pro. Let's jump right in. First off, what exactly are SHEIN points? In 2025, SHEIN has made their rewards program even more user-friendly. Points are essentially free currency you earn through various activities like making purchases, writing reviews, or participating in app challenges. For every dollar you spend, you might earn up to 1 to 2 points, depending on promotions. Plus, with the 2025 updates, you can now earn bonus points for eco-friendly choices, like opting for sustainable packaging. Now, let's get to the fun part: using those points. Step 1. Log into your SHEIN account on the app or website. Head over to the My Points section, usually found in your Profile or Rewards tab. Here, you'll see your total points balance and any available offers. Step 2. Browse the redemption options. SHEIN points can be used for discounts on items, free shipping, or even full product redemptions. For example, if you have 500 points, you might knock $5 off your next order. Make sure to check for any expiration dates or minimum redemption thresholds, which have been simplified in 2025 to make it easier. A quick tip: combine your points with ongoing sales for maximum savings. If you're new to this, start small, redeem points on a single item to get the hang of it. Oh, and watch out for the new 2025 feature, points stacking, where you can link your points to social media shares for extra boosts. One common issue is forgetting to apply points at checkout, so double-check before finalizing your purchase. Remember, points are non-transferable, so keep them for your own shopping sprees. Wrapping this up, using SHEIN points in 2025 is a straightforward way to stretch your budget and enjoy more fashion without breaking the bank. If you found this helpful, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe for more tips, and drop a comment below if you have questions. Thanks for watching, and happy shopping. See you in the next one.